What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. It's a beautiful fall night here in Connecticut. We've got the big green egg going. We've got the Egg Genius in there. Not supposed to lift the lid, but I'm going to show you. We have ourselves two beautiful ribeye steaks that are going to town right now. We're going to reverse sear them. We're going to sear them up nice to end it. And then we're going to make ourselves some steak sandwiches. Stay tuned. All right, so we've got our mushrooms and onions that are sauteing up, cooking up real nice. Got it on low. We've got some freshly baked bread, Tuscan loaf. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make some steak sandwiches because we've got some ribeyes on the big green egg. We're gonna toss a little spreadable horseradish cheddar on there. Some regular cheddar cheese. Some onions and mushrooms. Ooh, and a perfectly grilled ribeye. Let's go. All right, so we have hit just about 125 on both. Take a look here. Let's pull the hot pokers out. Hot probes, whatever you want to call them. All right, now we're going to take our clickers, take these off. These are bone in, they look good. Now, we are going to take the temperature probe out as well. And put this down here. Whew. Look at that airplane going by. Remove this. 1, 2, 3, up. Put that right in there. All right, now we're gonna get this flame going. Gonna leave it open. We're gonna put the grate back on. Oop. Hot. All right, we're gonna get the flame going. Let's go. All right, flames are up. So now we sear. We're gonna probably sear, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds to a minute each side, flip over, do it until our steak is where we want it to be. All right, we just flipped it over. Beautiful looking fire. Gonna make ourselves a beautiful looking steak. All right, steaks are looking good. Nice and charred. Ooh. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's close the egg. Boop. All right. Now we're going to rest it. We're going to make our sandwiches and we're going to eat. All right. So we have our fresh bread. We're going to put that right in the pan, just like a grilled cheese. And we're going to push it around. All right. Now we're taking our horseradish spreadable cheddar. We're spreading it over half of the bread. That's so good. All right, now we're going to take our regular cheddar cheese. We're going to put that on there as well. There we go. Now we're going to let this melt up real nice. We're going to add our onions and mushrooms, our steak, and we're going to eat. All right, we've added the steak, we've added the mushrooms and onions. I mean, look at that beautiful, beautiful coloring on that steak. Oh, baby, this is going to be awesome. Let's flip and go. All right, we pulled it off. Got a nice little char on there. Cutting through. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. That is epic.